Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill up your Fiat 500. First, locate the fuel flap, which is typically found on the passenger side of your vehicle. It's crucial to know that your Fiat 500 uses unleaded gasoline. For the precise octane rating, always refer to your owner's manual. This ensures you are using the correct fuel type for optimal performance and engine health. Next, you'll need to access the fuel tank. Open the fuel flap. Some Fiat 500 models have an interior release lever, while others open manually. The fuel cap often requires your car key to unlock. Insert the key, turn it counterclockwise, then unscrew the cap completely. Remember to place the cap securely in its designated holder to prevent losing it. Now it's time to fuel up your Fiat 500. Carefully insert the fuel nozzle all the way into the tank opening, ensuring a snug fit. At the pump, select the appropriate fuel grade as specified in your owner's manual. Once selected, firmly squeeze the pump handle to begin the flow of gasoline. Always stay with your vehicle and monitor the fueling process for safety. When your tank is full, the pump nozzle will automatically click off, indicating it's time to stop. Gently remove the nozzle and return it to the pump's holder. Next, replace the fuel cap, turning it clockwise until you hear a distinct click, ensuring it's sealed tightly. Finally, close the fuel flap firmly until it latches securely. You're now ready to continue your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.